The time now is 7:40 p.m. in a Friday evening, and I'm currently in Oxford. But before I tell you why I'm in Oxford, let's have some dinner first. Here is fine, thank you so much. This is a lovely place.
Oh wow, this is your first time?
Yeah, I just got in from London. What a way to spend my Friday night in Cosmo. All in all, it comes down to £23.68. The idea after having a big meal like that is to get my steps in. So instead of sitting around and going back to where I live, it's always good to get my steps in, let the digestive system do its work. Something I can say about Friday night in Oxford, it's really happening. You can see right there, lots of people walking around. It's not a big city like London, so it's not that overwhelming, which is good. I think this is where we are. Central Backpackers, private and share dorms. Right, so this morning I woke up and I was like thinking, the past few days I haven't been sleeping where I had massive headaches and I had long working hours on Thursday. So this morning on Friday, when I woke up, I was thinking, where can I go? How can I break my routine in London? And bought a bus ticket and ended up in Oxford.